Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is computation of angles, example number 2. Moving on to example number 2, as we can see on our screen, we have to find out the interior angles of traverse from following given table. So in this table, line, forebearing and backbearing is given. So what will be our next step? Next step, we have to draw a traverse by using forebearing and backbearings. For line AB, the forebearing is 45 degree. So A to B will lie in quadrant 1. So as we can see in figure, we have to draw a line AB of 45 degree at quadrant 1. From B, forebearing is 123 degree 30 minutes. So we have draw it in second quadrant, BC. Now from C, CD is 181 degree. So 181 degree will lie in quadrant third. So we have to draw a line from quadrant third. At D, forebearing of DA is 289 degree. 289 degree lies in quadrant 4 and then it will intersect the point A. So likewise, by using forebearings, we have drawn a traverse. Now, the next part is to mark backbearings also. Backbearing of BA is 225 degree. Backbearing of CB is 330 degree. Then backbearing of DA is 109 degree and backbearing of DC is just 1 degree. So likewise, we have to mark the forebearing and backbearing after drawing the traverse. Now, by using this forebearing and backbearing, we have to calculate interior angle. So for angle A, from figure, angle A can be calculated. As we can see, the backbearing of AD is greater than forebearing of AB. So for calculating angle A, what we have to do? We have to subtract backbearing from the forebearing. This will give us the answer of, as we can see in this solution, 64 degree. Next, moving on to next part, we have to calculate angle B. For calculating angle B, again we have forebearing and backbearing. In angle B, backbearing of BA is greater than forebearing of BC. So we have to subtract backbearing from forebearing to get angle B. The answer of angle B is 101 degree 30 minutes. For angle C, again the backbearing of BC is greater than the forebearing of CD. So backbearing minus forebearing will give us answer 122 degree 30 minutes. For last angle, angle D, if we calculate from backbearing and forebearing, it will give us exterior angle, but we require interior angle. So what rule we have to apply? We have to subtract the angle from 360 degree. So the rule is 360 degree minus forebearing plus backbearing, as the forebearing is greater than your backbearing. So in this case, we will get answer equal to 72 degrees. As we can see, we have to apply sometimes check also. The formula for applying check is, first of all, we have to add all interior angles and the addition is 360 degree for this particular sum, and the check says the summation of angle should be 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees, where n represent number of sides or number of lines. So for this particular example, we have 4 lines. So it should be 2 into 4 minus 4 into 90, which is 360 degree. And summation of all angles was also 360 degree. Therefore, check is correct. So again, we have to first of all calculate forebearings from back bearing or back bearing from forebearing. By using forebearing and back bearing, we have to draw traverse. After drawing a traverse, we have to apply the simple formula. If back bearing is greater than forebearing, we have to subtract back bearing from forebearing from back bearing. And if forebearing is greater than back bearing, then we have to apply formula 360 degree minus forebearing plus back bearing. And the check says summation of all angles should be equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and n will be the number of sides or the number of lines. And lastly, we have to display all these readings into a table format. So here, as we can say, stations are A, B, C, D, line where A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. Forebearings are given. Back bearings will be notification in reverse direction from D, DA, from C, CB, from B, BA, likewise. So we calculated back bearing also. Then we have to calculate the exterior angle sometimes. The main aim is to find out interior angles. So interior angles are find out and you have to apply the normal check. And check says that summation of all the angles should be equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Thank you.